Okay, tank view. Tank view. Alright. Let's put the camera down 1 second. Alright. Alright, so. Alright. This one uses 1.6 gallons per flush. Oh. 0.6. Alright. Alright, here we go. Here we go. And the tunnel is rusted right here. Dang, son. Alright, so yeah. Original flapper, original fill valve, and yeah. This sounds 7 right here. (2007). If you want to see it. 2007. Alright. Alright. Alright, let's do a tank view. Alright, let's put the tank lid back on. Alright, so yeah. Alright, let's do this. Alright. Alright, let's pause the video camera. Alright, so let's do this. Alright, let's do this. Yep, let's do it.